where we invite friends, chefs, and anyone really to come cook and eat with us. You can expect to learn new recipes, find out more about different cultures, and have lots of laughs. Today we have with us two very special guests, Chef Wayne and Chef Matthew.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Chef Wayne， 我是来自 Keng Eng Kee Seafood， 简称为 KEK Seafood。对，我是第3代的厨曹了，所以是讲说我们从我的外婆到我的爸爸到我，所以是讲说我是在这行做了17年。对，所以我的厨法都是跟着我爸爸学的。
Hi everybody, my name is Chef Matthew. I'm the executive chef at SATS.
As you can tell, this isn't our regular kitchen studio. So, Chef Matthew, can you tell us where we're at?
We are at SATS Singapore Innovation Hub and Country Foods Experience Center. This is a place whereby chefs explore culinary ideas.
Oh, so how do you know Chef Wayne?
Well, it's through this program called FoodFlix. We actually work with Chef Wayne to develop some of his product and send it to the retail channel.
Oh.
So in this FoodFlix, we actually aim to work with brands to upskill their products through our innovation capability and our production capabilities.
Oh, all of this for airline food?
No. These are not only for airlines. With our purpose to feed and connect the communities, right? All these innovative products are for our non-travel and travel market. Our aim is to bring all these brands to overseas through our network. We actually aim to have everyone to be able to enjoy our food, even at home.
So what's your experience like working with FoodFlix?
OK， 其实 SATS team 他们有到我们 KEK 的 kitchen， 就看我们的厨房是怎么运作，所以还是了解到我们的厨槽应该是怎么样的。所以刚好到有机会我又去到 SATS 的 kitchen， 然后 Chef Matthew 也是带我去参观了他们整个的运作是怎么样，所以让我发现到，哇，它整个的厨房的那个运作用了很多 induction 跟 technology， 煮酱料煮他们的那些食品，所以在这一方面 Chef Matthew 给了我很多的 idea， 就创造更多的那些食品。
Today, we're here to give you a taste of experience with Chef Wayne to share a recipe so that you can recreate this at home.
So, Chef Wayne, what are we making first?
OK， 今天我们是做我们的 KEK 的咖啡酱。我们 KEK 咖啡酱是我们的招牌菜，所以讲说我们的 KEK 咖啡酱是来做咖啡排骨。OK， 其实这道咖啡排骨呢是来自于我的爸爸的一位朋友，他是一位老厨师，所以讲说他就把这道菜传承了给我。OK， 其实这个咖啡酱呢，除了我们主场平时用的来做咖啡排骨，其实你也是可以拿来做咖啡汉堡。如果是讲说，比如在家没有猪肉，也是可以善于用咖啡机，也是可以。OK， 现在我们有热开的烧水，这里大概有300克的水，所以现在我们先下那个苹果酱。为什么要放那苹果酱呢？因为是讲说可以让它融化。OK， 你让它融化了过后我们跟着放那个番茄酱。所以放番茄酱过后搅拌，跟着来你可以放糖。所以刚才我们有说到那个糖的部分，你们可以自己调整，就想说你要稍微甜一点，或者是不要太甜，都可以。OK， 接下来就是盐，过后就到咖啡粉。
可以放多一点吗？
可以，如果你喜欢咖啡粉要稍微重一点的味道，你可以放多一点。所以呢，我们在放咖啡粉的时候，你需要继续搅拌。对，很好。所以是讲说咖啡粉搅了过后，最后就是咖啡精。好，搅完过后，其实说现在你跟它全部搅拌均匀了后，就是我们大概给它滚一个半个钟头。半个钟头过后来了，你们不能直接使用，因为是讲说它会有带一点苦涩味，你需要给它放在外面冷了过后，大概1个钟头。对，过后你再放回冰橱里面。所以最好是在另外一天才使用，所以它会更加浓郁。
很香哦，现在很香。Thank you, Chef Wayne. So now we're done with the sauce. Over to you, Chef Matthew.
谢谢你们。
So, Chef Matthew, what else can we make with the coffee sauce?
We are actually applying a Western technique and creating a country-style coffee ribs.
Oh, so how did you come up with this recipe?
Well, in SATS, we strive to be very innovative.
Imagination.
With different ingredients and different application. Especially in this FoodFlix program, we actually aims to bring the hawker culture out of Singapore and beyond their store.
Now that we've marinated and steamed the pork ribs for 1 hour, what do we do next?
So next step, we are supposed to marinate the pork rib with the coffee sauce. Give it a nice massage.
Wow, the coffee smells woo, amazing.
So now we have marinated the pork rib with the coffee sauce. We'll just put this back in the oven at 220 degrees to give it a nice caramelized color.
Okay.
So all the flavor will be locked inside this pork rib. So after 10 minutes in the oven, this is what you get. So can you help me to glaze the sauce on the rib one more time? So a last 3 to 4 minutes, it will be done.
I can't wait. Okay.
All right. All right, the ribs is done. Now we have some garnishes for these ribs. Well, I always believe in eating things in moderation and balanced diet.
Oh, very effort, Chef Matthew. One tomato at a time.
Wow, this is what we call culinary arts. Because I always believe being a chef, apart from being a scientist, we must be an artist. Whatever food we shown to our consumer, it must taste good, looks good, and smells good.
It definitely smells really good.
Alright, lastly what we do, we just sprinkle some sesame seed on the ribs. Alright, so what we have here, country style coffee ribs. Well, it just came to my mind, there can be another application for these ribs. So because it's quite big, right, for 2 of us, the balance of the ribs we can actually make into a coffee pulled pork hash. So what we need is, the ingredients what we need was basically the balance of these ribs. We just shred them, or we can even chop them or dice them to small cubes. We need potatoes, onions, spring onion.
Oh.
I'm sure we have it at home.
So easy.
Yes, very simple.
After all that cooking, we finally get to try your creations. Which one should we start first?
Well, I suggest we start with the country style pork rib.
那这个吃法跟之前我们的煮法会不一样，不一样在哪里？就讲说，我们那是炸，不过我们再用我们的锅去煮那咖啡酱，它的那种香味出来跟这种不一样。这种是它的整个酱料融入到那个肉里面，而且它是烘出来的，而不是像我们这样炒出来的，所以2个都很好吃，都不一样的口感。OK， 接下来我们可以吃我创的那个咖啡排骨汉堡。OK， 这种吃法会比较不一样。对，让它比喻的我们这个排骨，可是要放在那个汉堡里面，就会让你有不一样的那种口感、那种体验。
好吃哦。
那个口感跟那个层次不一样。
对哦。
It's tender, it's not dry.
And the outside is also still very crispy.
So this dish is actually the coffee ribs hash.
那这道菜有那种中西合并的感觉，而且吃起来还有那个咖啡味。它的肉感跟那个马铃薯在里面恰到好处。
It's a tapas, a Chinese tapas.
I think Chef Matthew 给我的感觉也是吃起来那种感觉也有不一样的层次感，让我有新的 idea 可以试。
This is such like a new experience for me to taste and cook with the same coffee sauce. Is this something that we can expect from FoodFlix?
Of course. We look forward to work with more brands and to bring more brands overseas. And I also look forward to work with Chef Wayne Liew to develop more interesting dishes.
希望接下来可以能和FoodFlix 合作，就想说我们可以把我们的那个招牌菜通过不同的管道到国内跟国外，让全部的朋友都能享受到我们的加油。
And that's really the beauty of food, right? Connecting people and communities and serving up new experiences. Now, it's over to you.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Thank you!
Thank you so much, Chef.
谢谢你。